Good morning, Craig here with Craig's Carp here, bringing you a 2000 Jeep Wrangler 4-liter Sport. Bad looking little Jeep here, came in for overheat and heater core not working. Was full of coolant, no leaks found. Looked at the thermostat, it appears to be functioning okay when tested. Put the flow tester on there, we had no flow of coolant. Radiator's about 4 months old, and back flushing it, the radiator looked like it was flowing well. Heater core had a little bit of stuff in it that we flushed out with the Napa ProCool power flusher. So went and looked at the water pump. Just taking the pulley off, and you would spin it with your hand. It felt a little free, but not too bad. No give to it at all. And I really don't see any signs of any leakage on it, just some oil staining. Maybe a tad bit of coolant staining. But we pulled the pump off just to make sure we cover all our bases. It passed a block test indicating no internal engine damage, and the oil looks nice and clean. No oil and water mixing. So we pulled the pump off, and it doesn't look too bad at face value. That's the impeller that spins the water through the engine. Grab the impeller and start spinning it, and lo and behold, it has completely broken free from the shaft. So there's no way this is going to pump water. So I'm holding the front down here, come up here, and it simply is not spinning. You see in the center there, if I spin it this way, we spin. So another plastic impeller bites the dust. I wish they still used the metal ones, but this is what we see now all the time. Customer quit driving it and got it in here, so we can just do a water pump, and I think she'll be good as new. Thanks for watching. Craig's Carp here.